corrupting the concept, falsely accused, was used, and misled.
Hey guys, it's Lucas Creations. Today I'm going to show you how to use OBS to capture a window to record YouTube videos or even stream if that's what you guys want to use it for. So let's get right into it. So the first step is you want to make a new scene, which I already have, and then you want to go into Sources, and you want to click Window Capture. And this is when you want to make sure your game is open, so I'm just going to use Google for reference. I put Google on, and now OK. And now I can just resize it to what I need it to be. And now it's ready. You just start recording or start streaming. I hope this helped you guys, and if you need more tutorials on how to set up your recording or streaming in OBS, put it down in the comments with if you guys are using this for recording or streaming. I want to know. So let me know down in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. So peace out.